All right, solve the following equations using the compositional properties of equality. Basically what that says is we can attach the same term or the same factor to both sides. If we notice on A, we have x and -8, which is two terms. If I want to isolate the variable, I would want to get rid of this -8 term. So I'm going to attach the opposite term to both sides. By doing that, the left side would become just x, and the right side would become 12 plus 8, or 20. For the next problem in B, I notice that the variable is a factor of the terms. This -2 is a factor. So to get rid of or to decompose factors, we want to cancel by attaching fractional factors. So if I attach a fractional factor of -2 in the denominator, then the result would just be 1a, or a, and then equals -7 over -2, as it's just positive 7/2. Again, for the next problem C, I notice that my expression with the variable is a term. It's got factors of 2 and 1/5, or 5 in the denominator. So if I attach a factor of 5 in the numerator and a 2 in the denominator to this expression, everything would cancel. The factors would cancel, leaving just y. So I just need to make sure I do the same on the right side, attach a factor of 5 and then a factor of 2 in the denominator. So I would have a factor of 5 times -4 over 2. We can cancel the 2 with the -4, leaving a factor of -2. 5 and -2 is -10. So again, I'm just using factors or fractional factors to cancel. All right, the last problem, D. I noticed that B on the left side is a term. So this extra term, -1/2, I want to add a 1/2 to both sides. That will isolate my variable B on the left, equals, and then -2/3 plus 1/2. We could look at this addition as trying to get a common denominator of 12. So we want to get a 12 in the first. That's multiplying top and bottom by a factor of 4 to build that up. So this would be a -8 over 12. And then the 1/2, to have a denominator of 12, I would need to attach a factor of 6 to the top and bottom, and that would give me a +6. So my answer then becomes a -2/12. So -8 and 6 is -2/12, and then I can cancel, leaving a factor of 1 and 6. So my answer then would be a -1/6. So B equals -1/6.